Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter Arithmetic Progression exercise 5.3 question number 4 we are doing. Okay, now let's check it out what the question is saying. How many terms of the APs 9, 17, 27 must be taken to give the sum of 636? Means we are having Sn is equals to 636 we are having. Okay, so we have to find it out how many terms, means we have to find it out n is equals to what, okay, to get this much of sum. Okay, so we can use the formula that is Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. By using this particular formula we can find it out. Because we can find it out, a we can get a is equals to 9, a we are having that is 9, okay, and the common difference that is d is 17 minus, means d is equals to a2 minus a1, okay, that is 17 minus 9, okay, so we will get 17 minus 9, we will get 6, okay, sorry, we will get 8. 17 minus 9 we will get 8, so we will get d is equals to 8. Okay, so now we can put this particular formula, we can find it out n. So Sn we will get 636 is equals to n, we have to find it out, n upon 2 2a is 9 multiplied by 9 plus n minus 1, and d we are having that is 8. Okay, so we will get 636 is equals to n upon 2 9s are 18 plus 8n minus 8. Okay, so we will get 636 is equals to n upon 2, we will get 10 plus 8n. Okay, once we will multiply it, so we will get 636 is equals to 5n plus, once we will multiply it by this, 2 2 4 is 8, so we will get plus 4n square. Okay, so we can send it out to the left hand side, so we will get 4n square plus 5n minus 636. Okay, now what we can do, we can take the LCM of it, so we can multiply it first of all, and we will take the LCM. Okay, now we will take the LCM of 2544. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, and 2 2s are 4. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 1s are 2, and 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 2 9s are 18. By 3 3 5s are 15, and 3 3s are 9. 53, and 53 is divisible by itself, so we will get 3. We can multiply by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Okay, or we can say 6 8 is 48, 6 8 is 48. Okay, so 48 and 53. So if I will multiply, we will get 2544, and if I will subtract, we will get 53. Okay, so we can, if I will multiply this, so we will get 2544, and if I will subtract it, so we will get this one. So we can subtract it like this, we can write it down 4n square minus 48n plus 53n is minus 636. So if I will take 4 as common, 4n, so we will get n minus 4 1s are 4, and 4 2s are 8. If I will take 53 as common, so we will get n minus 12. Okay, 53 multiplied by 12, we will get 636. Okay, so we will get the two values. Okay, I will write it down over here. Okay, we will get n minus 12 is equals to 0, and the other one is 4n minus, sorry, plus 53 is equals to 0. So we can say n is equals to 12. The number of terms is in, cannot be in fraction, because over here it will come in fraction. N is equals to 53 upon minus 53 upon 4, so n cannot be in fraction, so n is equals to 12. So we will get the number of terms. How many terms are there? There are 12 terms. Okay, 12 terms is the answer. I hope you guys understood that how we have done it. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye. Take care.